you ready for the key that unlocks the gates to manifesting millions in just one day? Brace yourselves, for today we embark on an extraordinary journey to reveal a secret that lies within Neville Goddard's law of assumption. In this captivating video, we will delve into the realm of abundance and prosperity, unveiling the 4 essential steps to successfully manifesting money using Neville Goddard's powerful method. Get ready to witness a transformation in your financial reality like never before. But that's not all. Along the way, you will also discover the remarkable benefits of looking at affirmations daily, a practice that amplifies the manifestation process. We will unravel the mystical layers of Neville Goddard's manifestation techniques, granting you the ability to manifest your desires with greater ease and astounding speed. Imagine a life where wealth flows effortlessly, where dreams become a tangible reality, and where the impossible becomes your everyday existence. It's time to step into that extraordinary life, powered by the secrets we are about to unravel. The power to manifest millions in just one day lies within your grasp. Are you ready to seize it? Are you prepared to shatter the barriers that have held you back, to unchain yourself from the limitations of financial scarcity? With the knowledge you are about to acquire, a world of limitless possibilities awaits you. So, my friends, let us embark on this exhilarating journey of manifestation mastery. Strap yourselves in, for the path we are about to tread is one paved with wealth, abundance, and financial liberation. Together, we will unlock the secrets buried within Neville Goddard's law of assumption. Prepare to witness your financial reality shift before your very eyes. Get ready to embrace the power within you to manifest millions in a single day. The journey of financial transformation begins now. Welcome to a world where your dreams of prosperity and abundance become your everyday truth. Get ready to take an exhilarating leap into the realm of manifesting millions. Let's dive in. Manifesting millions is possible with Neville Goddard's law of assumption exercise. This incredibly powerful technique has the ability to transform your life and help you reach any financial goal you might have. To make this technique work, certain conditions must be met according to Neville Goddard's law of assumption. The main one is feeling as if the desire is fulfilled. That means having faith and belief in your desired outcome, no matter what challenges or obstacles may arise. It also means living at the end of your desire, pretending that it already exists and assuming an attitude and lifestyle that reflects having already achieved it. For example, if your goal is to become a millionaire, live like a millionaire even if you are not yet one. It is important when practicing this technique not to express any signs of neediness or thoughts about needing what you want. Instead, let go of these feelings for successful manifestation, according to Neville Goddard. There are 2 states when it comes to manifestation: needing what you want or feeling and believing that your desired result has been manifested. The latter will lead us down the path towards our dreams coming true. It is important to distinguish between the state of needing and having a desire in order to manifest something. Chasing one's desires will not lead one closer to having or achieving it. Instead, be open and prepared for when it arrives. There are 4 steps that must be followed in order to successfully manifest a desired amount of money. The first step involves writing down all the items you would like to buy or actions you want to take after receiving the money that has been manifested. This list should include all small and large purchases, as well as any potential investments that can be made with this new income source. Doing this helps keep your focus on what will come once the manifestation process is complete, making for an exciting journey. Step 2 requires creating positive affirmations next to each item as a way of expressing gratitude for eventually receiving them. These affirmations should focus on how grateful you are for these items coming into your life, along with visualizing yourself, enjoying them now, rather than waiting until they come true later on down the line. Step 3 is taking time out each day to look over these lists and affirming again that they will come into being soon enough until they do arrive. This helps reinforce your belief in yourself and in what you're trying to achieve, so don't neglect this part. Lastly, step 4 encourages surrounding oneself with those who have similar ambitions. This act helps build motivation and desire even further, thus increasing chances of success. Seeing how far others have gone towards their goals can help re-motivate us towards ours too. One of the key steps in manifestation is focusing on our desires through affirmations and visualization. Looking at affirmations and desires daily keeps you focused on what you want to achieve, motivating and inspiring you throughout the day. The best time for this practice is in the morning to set a positive tone for the rest of your day, ensuring success in all your endeavors. Additionally, repeating these affirmations aloud helps combat limiting beliefs or negative thoughts that may hinder manifestation efforts. If possible, repeating them multiple times a day would be beneficial. Furthermore, visualizing your desired end result before going to bed each night allows you to subliminally communicate your intentions to your subconscious mind. During visualization, add feeling and emotion for successful results. At its core, Neville's method involves visualization and focus. Believing that if you can imagine it, you can have it. He believed that our thoughts hold great power and can shape our reality. He taught that by visualizing your desired outcome with faith, intention, and belief, as if it has already happened, it will help bring about its manifestation. He also believed that the law of assumption was essential for successful manifestation. This is when one assumes they have already received what is being asked for from the universe. Everyone is meant to form their own opinion about Neville's beliefs, which is why it can be helpful to analyze and discuss his ideas and methods for a better understanding. If you wish to share an opinion regarding manifestation, or even ask questions related to this topic, please feel free to comment down below. The secret to manifesting money and unlocking a life of abundance lies within Neville Goddard's law of assumption, an extraordinary pathway to transforming your financial reality. As we reach the end of this enlightening journey, it is essential to remember that manifestation requires unwavering faith and a deep belief in the power of your desired outcomes. Embrace the art of living as if your desires have already manifested, for this is the key that unlocks the doors to abundance. By following the 4 steps we have explored today, you are laying a solid foundation for successful manifestation. Stay committed, align your thoughts and actions, and watch as the universe conspires to bring your financial aspirations to life. But manifestation doesn't stop there. By looking at affirmations and visualizing your desires daily, you reinforce positive beliefs, intentions, and attract the abundant reality you seek. Allow these powerful practices to become an integral part of your daily routine. Now is the time to take action, my friends. Implement Neville Goddard's law of assumption exercise into your life today and activate the process of manifesting millions. Step into a realm where financial abundance is your reality, where dreams become tangible achievements. The power to manifest your wildest financial desires lies within your hands. Keep the flame of faith burning bright, nurture your belief, and stay unwavering in your pursuit of abundance. Thank you for embarking on this remarkable journey of manifesting wealth with Neville Goddard's law of assumption. May your financial aspirations manifest with ease and grace, and your life be an inspiring example of the power that lies within. Until we meet again, my friends, may your journey be filled with riches beyond measure. Chase your dreams, Manifest your desires and always remember the power that lies within you. Goodbye, and may your manifesting journey be filled with miracles and infinite wealth.